Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican rice and peas with canned beans. First, drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans very well. Next, pour 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk into a medium pot. Add 1 cup of water to the pot. Now, carefully place 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper into the liquid, along with 2 sprigs of fresh thyme and a generous pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. After the coconut milk mixture has simmered for about 5 minutes, its flavors will be beautifully infused. Carefully remove the thyme sprigs and the whole Scotch bonnet pepper from the pot. Be sure not to break the pepper. Now, add 1.5 cups of thoroughly rinsed long-grain white rice to the simmering liquid. Stir gently to combine everything, ensuring the rice is evenly distributed in the flavorful liquid. This step is crucial for absorbing all those wonderful Caribbean tastes. Once you've added the rice, bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot very tightly with a lid to trap all the steam inside. Allow the rice and peas to simmer undisturbed for 20 to 25 minutes. It's really important not to lift the lid during this time, as the steam is essential for perfectly cooked, fluffy rice. Patience is key here for the best results. After the 20 to 25 minutes of simmering, remove the pot from the heat. Keep the lid on and let it rest for an additional 5 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly tender grains. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the rice and peas with a fork. This separates the grains and incorporates any remaining flavors. Serve your delicious Jamaican rice and peas immediately as a fantastic accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.